When pondering your identity, what immediately springs to mind? Your name, right? Well, here's a revelation. Your name merely scratches the surface of your intricate narrative. Beyond this surface-level identifier lies a more profound essence. So the question persists: who are you truly? Surprisingly, most responses fall short of encapsulating the true depth of our being. When we introduce ourselves, it's often tied to external things like our job or where we're from. But let's dig deeper. You are not just a job title or a place of origin. These are mere labels, and labels can change. Your true self goes beyond these external tags. Consider this. If someone asks who you are, you might mention your age, your work, or your hometown. But these are just parts of your story, not the whole picture. A job can change, your age will increase, and your location might shift, but at your core, you remain the same. The essence of who you are doesn't alter with these external shifts. You might have faced tough times, challenges that seemed insurmountable. Those tough times don't define you. You're not confined to the pain or stress you've experienced. These challenges come and go, but your true self remains unaffected. It's like peeling away layers to discover something unchanging at your core. So the next time someone asks about you, remember it's more than just a list of external attributes. Those moments of difficulty, the observer within you, that unwavering essence, is not entangled in the turmoil. It simply acknowledges it. Now, let's delve into anxiety and overthinking, those instances when your mind races with worries about the future or gets trapped in endless thoughts. It happens to all of us, but here's the key. You are not the anxiety, and you are not the overthinking. Picture it like this: there are two parts within you. One part goes through tough times, like feeling anxious or caught up in a loop of thoughts. The other part observes. It's like a watcher, understanding what's happening without being entangled in the experience itself. This observer within you is aware of the anxiety and the overthinking. So, who is this observer? It's you. You're the one noticing these mental states. You might feel stuck in anxiety, but you are not the anxiety. You might find yourself overthinking, but you are not the overthinking. You're the one aware of these processes. This awareness is a powerful tool, akin to taking a step back to see a bigger picture. Imagine being in a play. One part of you acts in the scenes. That's the tough times, while the other part watches from the audience, understanding the plot. That's the awareness. This duality is crucial when life throws challenges your way. It might be tempting to let them define you, but the real magic happens when you recognize that you are the one who observes the challenges, not the one entirely consumed by them. In moments of difficulty, remind yourself. The one aware of suffering is not the one experiencing it. Those ups and downs. It's like having built-in resilience, a part of you detached from the struggles, capable of understanding and navigating them with a sense of clarity. This awareness gives you valuable distance from your difficulties, making it easier to see beyond the immediate struggle and find a way through. In life, we all face challenges, moments of difficulty, pain, or suffering. Now, here's a game-changing understanding: that the one aware of suffering is not the same as the one experiencing it. Imagine it as having two sides within you. One side goes through tough times, while the other side, the one aware of what's happening, remains steady. It's like a built-in separation between the experience and the awareness of the experience. This awareness acts as a potent tool when you find yourself overthinking or caught up in the stress of daily life. Ask yourself, who is aware of this happening? It's not about finding an answer in your thoughts. It's about recognizing that you are aware. It's a bit like being both the actor and the audience in the play of your life. This shift in focus from being entangled in thoughts to being the observer of those thoughts is transformative. It's like zooming out from the details to see the bigger picture. You realize that while one part of you goes through the tough times, the other part watches and comprehends. It's acknowledging that you're not solely the person going through life's ups and downs. You're also the awareness that stands apart, understanding and interpreting. In these moments, this awareness can serve as a profound tool to detach from your suffering, to navigate the storm with a clearer mind. Let's explore the concept of connecting with your true self, a self that goes beyond external circumstances. It's about realizing that you're not merely an ordinary human. There's something greater within you. Consider the awareness you have of yourself right now as you read or listen. It's like a constant presence in the background of your mind, always there, always observing. This awareness is a core aspect of your being, and it transcends the fluctuations of daily life. In essence, you're not confined by the narrative of your past, your life story, or your mistakes. These are experiences you've been through, but they don't define the core of who you are. Your true nature remains untouched by external circumstances because you are the observer of all that unfolds in your life. This understanding is crucial. It's recognizing that at your core, you are pure consciousness, pure awareness. You're not limited by the events that have shaped your journey. Instead, you are the one who watches, understands, and navigates through those events. Consider this. When you're aware of your own thoughts and emotions, you're tapping into this deeper aspect of yourself. It's a moment of recognition that you are not solely the person undergoing those thoughts and feelings. You are also the awareness of them. This shift in perception brings you closer to your inner self, providing a profound sense of your true identity. It's a departure from seeing yourself solely as an individual reacting to external circumstances. Instead, you recognize yourself as the awareness that witnesses and comprehends those reactions. This practice of self-awareness isn't about detachment. It's a return to your natural state of pure love, peace, joy, and self-assuredness. It's understanding that you have the power to shape your own reality, to navigate through life's experiences with a grounded and centered perspective. When you take a moment to be aware of yourself, you're not just acknowledging your current state of mind. You're recognizing the fundamental aspect of your being, the awareness that transcends the ebb and flow of life. This recognition brings you closer to your true self, reminding you that you are not just an ordinary person. You are life itself, fully present in the here and now. Let's delve into the concept of inner strength and the transformative power it holds. Within you resides a remarkable wellspring of resilience, a core strength that has the potential to bring about powerful transformations in your life. This strength isn't a force separate from you. It is an integral part of your being. Consider it as tapping into a source of power that lies within the depth of your awareness. This isn't a strength born from external achievements or circumstances. It's an innate quality that emerges when you recognize your true self. As you deepen your connection with this inner strength, you'll find a capacity to navigate life's challenges with a newfound sense of ease and assurance. This inner strength isn't about denying or escaping difficulties. Rather, it's about confronting them with a resilience that stems from understanding your fundamental nature. Challenges exist because you are aware of them, and through this awareness, you gain the ability to not just endure, but to thrive amidst adversity. Your life story, past events, and even the mistakes you've made don't determine the essence of this inner strength. Instead, they become threads in the fabric of your journey, experiences witnessed by the ever-present awareness within you. This awareness remains untarnished, a constant amidst the ever-changing scenes of life. Recognizing this inner strength is acknowledging that your current beliefs or circumstances don't define your essence. You possess the power to reshape them, to rewrite your life story. It's an understanding that your true nature isn't confined by external narratives. It is pure consciousness unaltered by the transient nature of life's events. Your awareness becomes a guiding force, allowing you to navigate through the ups and downs with an unwavering resolve. The practice of self-awareness is not a journey into isolation. Instead, it's a return to your authentic self, a self rooted in the unchanging core of pure awareness. This inner strength isn't a distant concept. It's a tangible force that empowers you to shape your reality. Your life story isn't set in stone. You have the ability to rewrite it. Feelings of sadness or anxiety don't define you. They are experiences observed by the awareness within. In understanding this, you discover the power to change how you respond to challenges, creating a positive ripple effect in your life. If this video resonated with you, please consider sharing it with someone you think would appreciate it. Feel free to leave your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Until next time.